When Friday come, I'm going to tell me, say, nah, no money, I must wait until next week. I'm going to depend them somebody, make him stay away there. That, I don't even know. Sure. No, me no want but no be able father, me no want but I am very much okay. And I'm look at owner space. Right now we have a cousin, we just come from dinner. I understand, and at this point now, I'm going to go to Anna ends.
Make sure when you suck the wood, you don't hide your face. Carrie, unmute. What? But Mackerel, if you suck cocky better, you can't just continue to suck wood and hide your face. And so.
I don't need time of this. Never show you. I go send it out.
Me not send it out. Remember me click a live and show you how to do it, but why me not know?
Blinga, that is not the topic. Take life serious at least once, Blinga.
You tell me if you take life serious?
Blinga, I understand, you know.
So which ends you go pan now? Which ends you go pan?
Blinga, I have a life apart from this media thing, Blinga.
Why you could have fooled me? Because we all, you see, true, me know you're blind. Me not really stress you out because you don't know them say about beggars like we, so we're blind. But Mackerel, look here. When I saw Rice penis, right? I said to myself, when I saw Rice penis.
Oh, yeah, calculate.
You not hear me?
And then I go back up this way a while ago.
It's not work out. Mackerel.
Yeah, Mr. Talk to me, driver, with the permission here.
Okay.
Alright, so Nikki, we can jump right there, so right there, gas station. Yeah, we did back there, I can't do it by the 4 family, that man, we can go back. You know what? Okay, boss, yeah. You must tell me I got stuff.
Me a go now left you, cause me a collect money for go airport Wednesday.
Oh yeah, look for TikTok boss now.
Me look for TikTok boss already. You're always late.
Where you say no, Blinga?
Me say, me I go collect money now because me I go Chicago Wednesday, so me have to collect money.
Well, Blinga, me not gonna lie. If you want it, the game go on say. What again you should play again, Nika? It's just something that's wrong. That's what's wrong with him, Blinga.
Nothing wrong with him, but if me did in a perfect position right now, me feel like a load of shit.
Maybe the woman wants to shop because she take Mackerel, man. You can't feel like a load of shit. The woman don't have it because she take Mackerel.
But me don't feel comfortable like that with no boy when I mind them pick me. Me not doing it. Worse if it's somebody with the on the media where I come talk all the time. I am not, repeat, not gonna continue.
When they come to the media, them just come and them tell a bag of lie. I mean, you're a big man. Come on, man. You know what? When it's a game time, it's been 3 months now. It's been 3 months now. And then you say, I'm not cussing, I'm not do this, more than me is my child. I mean, them cut several years out of to take him out and me make my decision. But when you go click your life, but me can't make no man hold your pitney. Oh, dear, you made that talk on live. You know how pitney eat, sleep, not drink? Are you feeding? Are you clothing? You know, I could have sibling and say, boy, you can't just bring a pitney, you know, because bad to bad, bring a man and pitney. And you don't have that talk. I don't want to take care of your child. I choose anything, but if you want to happen on the live, yeah? Yeah, anything I don't want to talk.
So, Mackerel, look here. You feel like, say, you're still bitter?
I know business if I want to be bitter. I am just saying, listen, you have to put your foot down and do what is best for you. So if I want to bitter, sweet, sour, or salty, it doesn't matter. What than me, I do, it can't interfere, so just remember one way. You have to go up a bird, so this. Yeah, a good area. I hear the black calf.
I wonder if Rice and Perfect still there.
Well, as I said, I should know how to add certain things on here because that is not my business. But if you ever know what I know,
Tell me peace, no girl.
somebody have to drop a lion for my screen.
No, make them drop it off for me. I me gear it. Perfect. What you mean, Uni and Perfect? Perfect are the girl will take Rice from Mackerel.
No, the girl will take one man for me, miss.
How it go? Him left?
When I don't know for the situation.
Me done. It's just something me see. I know me no Mackerel. I remember me at the news channel, you know, so when me see Rice on the live, I said the things me I feel.
No boy, running from my yard. More than enough time here, my dad on my house, yes, and you know, say boy, more move from your son, way. Me I try move because even just back and forth over you. It kind of expensive certain way. You understand? When me now run. Cause anything God in when God is in the midst, what did I say, driver? When God is in the midst,
you smile at the storm.
Okay. So now that no boy let me run from the tire. More than if you come before me find somewhere to go, they are telling me slow and clear.
But but Mackerel, why would Rice want come back at him yard? Why?
Him yard, him pay bills there.
Him say him yard, him say a female your place, and that him say. Him say a your place.
You can come back at somewhere you don't pay bills in you don't know where bills them pay.
Then I know that him say. Why we have to go have back a court case? Because the thing about it, we don't know who I tell the truth now. Because Rice say him and you pay the bills them. You say you alone pay the bills them.
Nika, who pay bills them on behalf? Oh, okay. You don't want to bring up?
I don't want to me. You know, so me have to do this something right. So Mackerel, listen to me. Me still have Rice in on my phone. You know, when me see Rice body, me say Jesus Christ. This how. All right. Kerry, you